Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Smart English Talk, the podcast where learning English feels simple and fun. I'm Emma.
And I'm James. Hi, Emma, and a big hello to all our amazing listeners around the world. How are you today?
I'm feeling great, James. Always excited to be here and share another helpful conversation with everyone.
Same here. And before we begin, let's remind our listeners to hit that subscribe button and give this episode a thumbs up.
Yes, please do. And don't forget to share this episode with a friend who's also learning English. It really helps our podcast grow.
Thank you, everyone. All right, Emma, what's today's topic?
Today, we're talking about something that can completely change how you learn, the power of positive thinking.
I like that already. Positive thinking. Sounds powerful.
It really is. Learning a new language can be hard sometimes. You face new words, grammar, pronunciation. It can feel like climbing a mountain.
Yes, I've been there. Sometimes learners think, I'll never be fluent, or I make too many mistakes.
Exactly. Those are negative thoughts, and they can make learning feel impossible. But when you think positively, everything becomes lighter, easier, and even fun.
So positive thinking is like fuel for your brain. It keeps you moving forward, right?
Yes, the first step is simple. Be kind to yourself. Learning takes time. You don't plant a seed and expect a flower in one day.
True. You water it, give it sunshine, and wait. So we should do the same with English. Give it time and patience.
Exactly. Step 2. Change how you talk to yourself. For example, don't say, "This is too hard." Instead, say, "This is new and I'm learning."
Oh, that really feels better. I'm learning gives hope.
It does. Or when you make a mistake, don't say, "I'm bad at English." Say, "That mistake helped me learn something new."
Nice. Because mistakes are not the enemy, they're the teachers.
Perfectly said. Every mistake means you're trying, and that's brave.
So what's the next step in positive learning?
Set small goals. Instead of saying, "I want to be fluent," try, "Today I'll learn 3 new words."
That sounds easy and more realistic. Small wins build confidence.
Yes, and when you achieve a small goal, celebrate it. Say, "Good job, me." It may sound funny, but it really helps your brain feel proud.
I'll start doing that. A high five for my brain every time I learn something.
Exactly. Learning should be fun, not stressful. Watch short English videos, listen to songs, or read comics in English. Do what makes you smile.
I love that. For me, watching English movies with subtitles is my fun way to learn.
And I enjoy singing along to English songs, even if I don't sound great.
That's the spirit. The goal is not perfection, it's progress.
Right. Positive thinking also helps you stay confident. When you believe you can do it, your brain relaxes and learns faster.
True. When you're stressed, learning becomes harder, but when you're positive, you remember more.
Yes. Think of positive thoughts as power phrases. For example, instead of saying, "I don't understand," say, "I'll understand this soon."
Or instead of, "My accent is bad," say, "My accent shows where I'm from," and that's something special.
Exactly. Everyone has an accent. Communication is what really matters.
Here's another one. Don't say, "I have to study." Say, "I get to learn something new today."
Beautiful. Just changing a few words changes your energy completely.
And learning English becomes less of a mountain and more of an adventure.
Yes. And remember, every adventure is easier with friends. Find other positive learners to talk and practice with.
You can motivate each other, share progress, and celebrate small wins together.
Exactly. So to summarize, be kind to yourself, love your mistakes, set small goals, celebrate them, and make learning fun.
And keep your attitude positive. That's the real superpower in language learning.
Absolutely. Positive thoughts, more confidence, more practice, better English.
I love that chain. And to everyone listening, be your own cheerleader. You can do this.
You sure can. Every word you learn is one step forward.
So, what's your small goal for today? Tell us in the comments below.
Yes, share one positive thought or goal for your English learning journey.
And don't forget to subscribe to Smart English Talk for more fun conversations like this one.
Until next time, keep smiling, keep learning, and stay positive.
Bye, everyone.